Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty. Today is super exciting. YouTubers always say stuff is super exciting, but today is really exciting because I got my new phone. My assistant today, Kyla, is behind the scenes. She's over there, so you will hear her voice kind of in the background, and you will hear Liam doing his thing over there. I wanted to do this really quickly. It's raw. I don't have a cooked setup and nothing. This is my first ever iPhone unboxing. I've never done one before, and Kyla, my daughter, has convinced me to do it ASMR style. So we're gonna try. I don't know how good I am at it or how good I'm gonna be at it, but we're gonna try very hard. Liam, can we get a little quiet on set? Probably not. Before we get into the unboxing, I know you guys don't care about none of this, but my phone was stolen in LA when me and my husband were on vacation. I went 2 months without a phone. Then our anniversary hit while I was waiting for a new phone, and he surprised me on our anniversary with a receipt that had my new iPhone on it, and I just had to wait for it to get here. So it is finally here.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa. So big shout out to the man, my husband, the best husband in the whole world besides my daddy, for getting me my new iPhone. And as you can see by the title, is the 11 Max Pro, and it is 256 gigs. He went ham. It is gold, but I have not taken it out of this yet. So actually opening this right now is kind of it should have been ASMR style. So let's close it back up and do it right, and I'll be right back.
Can I help, Mama?
Warning headphone users, it's gonna be very loud, so be ready.
What's that?
It's mommy's new phone.
It says hello. Can I try?
It's me.
It tells you how to turn it on. Instructions. And the Apple logo.
Thank you. Oh, I don't think so, shorty. Oh, bummer. We thought they were headphones. It's okay. New headphones. Yeah. I didn't want earpods anyway. Who needs AirPods when you have all of this nice, beautiful, long cord? Right now we got the adapter here for us to be able to charge our phone. Yeah.
Okay.
Girl, you're gonna have to open it a little faster. I missed the sound. That's what it sounded like. Oh yeah, that's sturdy. And this is the cord that goes into the adapter. Let's show them what it looks like. Another cord that looks nice and sturdy. Oh yeah, until it's not anymore. And I guess that's all that's in the box.
This could be used for a miniature pool.
What'd you say?
A miniature pool.
You want to use the rest of my box for a miniature pool?
Yeah, and a hot tub.
Wow. Leave it to my daughter to figure out crafts to do with my stuff.
Check out my channel. It'll be in the links down below.
Oh yeah. Alright, now clean all this up.
What?
Push this away. Push all this. Just push.
Doesn't work. Hola.
Hello.
Hello.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.